Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll have a tutorial for you and that's how to insert a game card into your Switch 2. Of course here guys, this is a Switch 2. This is not a Switch 2 game however, but it's basically the same. This is a Switch 1 game, but it was the only one I had available with a key card to show you basically with a game card I should say to insert. Alright, so the first thing you want to do guys is only under these circumstances do you add or remove your game card. All right, so only do it from the home screen and of course while the system is off to be safe. All right, and also make sure that the app is closed. If you have for example, if it's a game and you're going to remove it, make sure that the app is completely closed. I'll show you how to do both at the complete procedure. All right, so the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and you're going to get your game card. So go ahead and open up, remove the plastic, then you're going to open up your game. Here I have Mario Wonder and this is Super Mario Bros. Wonder, as you can see here. All right, and of course it's a Switch 1 game, but it still works in the Switch 2 because it's backward compatible. All right, you're going to remove the cartridge. So this is the cartridge, or should I say this is the memory card, and of course it's removed from this side. And you can simply place it back in and press it down and it will go back in. All right, so I'm going to take the game card here, which is Mario Wonder. What you're going to do here is make sure you're on the home screen. All right, and you're going to go ahead and you're going to find the compartment that's right here. This is where the game card will go. There's a tab right here, as you can see. There's a simple area that fits your nails. So simply use the tip of your nail and up, and it will slide out. All right, so there you go. Now this is the key part here. This section is very flexible, so don't worry, you can let it go. You're gonna get the memory card, you're gonna make sure it's facing forward, and of course you can see the title right there. All right, so what you're gonna do next is that you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna slide this in. All right, and it goes down. There's an arrow that shows you, and there you go. So just simply press down. It has an eject mechanism, so simply press down, it should set into place. Then you're gonna slide this down. All right, so it goes straight down, straight up. All right, so once you do that, what's gonna happen is that for these game cards, now there are two types of game cards. If it's a game card with the entire game, you simply can simply click and it will start working straight away. If it's one that's just a key card, it will download the game. And of course, if you buy it online, such as my Mario Kart World that's seen in the middle there, you can download that one online, or if you purchase any games online, they'll simply download and you'll get a virtual game card. All right, so now that Mario Wonder is in, all you gotta do is look out for the new game. You'll see it appear, and it should appear at the front of the list. Then all you're gonna do is select. I'm not gonna play, I'm just gonna simply show you what's gonna happen. All right, I'm going to exit the game right away. All right, so you see it searching through the game card. There you go, and it's loading. All right, so you get the idea. I don't want to get a copyright strike. And notice it says playing. Now let's say you want to remove the game card. All right, so the procedure is the same, except now look very carefully. Only remove your game card when you're on the home screen, or turn off the system. I have separate tutorials on how to turn off. I'm not going to show you the turn off right now, but look at this, it says playing. All right, that means that the game is still active. Never remove a game card while it's saying playing. It can cause issues with the card. All right, so make sure all the apps are closed out, so you're on the home screen as seen here. And what you're going to do is press X to close. So in the case, let's pretend you just use the game and you're finished, and of course you're going to press X, so X there. Then you're going to hit close, and there you go. The game was running in the background and it's now closed. So now that the game is closed, meaning no data has been sent between the device and the game. To remove the card, simply go ahead and you're going to up. You're going to use your thumb and push up. And of course, what you're going to do here is going to press the game card. It's like an eject mechanism, so press down and it's going to pop up. You're going to go ahead and you're going to remove it. So go ahead and the game card, and then you're going to close the compartment so dust doesn't get in. And here I have the game still indicated here, but notice it says Super Mario Bros. Wonder, but there's no game card in the console, as you can see, there's a blank highlighted section to say that the game card is missing. All right, so of course it's not there anymore. If I try to launch it, it's gonna ask for it. It says insert game card, so I can hit cancel. All right, so only the save games are there. All right, so you can go ahead and you can place this back into its compartment. So go ahead and slide it back in. There you go, you can put it away, you can insert a new game card. All right, so that's how you do it for the Switch 2 in terms of your game cards and inserting your game cards. If you have any direct questions about this, you can ask below in the comments, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.